Hello my dear students and welcome back. Today we have a new lesson. Our lesson today is a writing lesson. It's Module 3B Write for grade 7. Before we start, let's have a look at our objective for today. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to write a paragraph entitled "The Place Where I Live." We have stages for writing. How many stages do we have? 3 stages. 1. Pre-write. Before you write, what should you do? Stage 2. Write while writing. And finally, stage 3, and it's called edit, revising and finding mistakes. Let's have a look at them one by one. 1. Pre-writing, thinking, or what we call brainstorming. Think about the topic. What's your topic? It's called "The Place Where I Live." And where do you live? In the city. Why do you choose to live in the city? Because it has good schools and hospitals. Also, it has many shops where you can buy all your needs. In addition, there are many sports clubs where you can do sports. And of course, there are different means of entertainment like cinemas and fun fairs. Now, we move to the second stage, which is writing. Write. Okay, now you pay attention to the following. Write a paragraph of 6 to 8 sentences and always use the present simple tense and use linking words and phrases like and, but, so, because, also, what's more, etc. Use a variety of adjectives like fantastic, wonderful, terrible, nice, horrible, and finally write your first draft and correct it, then write your final draft. Now we come to stage 3, which is editing, and this is the most important one. You do what? You fix it up. You try to mend and fix your mistakes. You have to check for what? You have to check first. Check your spelling. Did you write your words correctly or not? And check your punctuation. Did you use full stops? Did you use capital letters? And so on. Check your word order. Did you write in a correct order? Subject, verb. Then check your grammar. Did you use the correct tense? And finally, check your linkers, the words you use to link sentences together. So, do we have an example for this? Yes, I have an extract for you. This is a piece of writing written by one of the students. I want you to have a look at it. Read it carefully, then find the mistakes, and then correct them. All kinds of mistakes. Think carefully. Very good. Life, this is the first word, and it should start with a capital letter. And then, yes, excellent. We have the word country. It is misspelled. This is a spelling mistake, so we correct it. Wonderful. Again, we have another spelling mistake. Then should be written in a different way. It is than, not then. Yes, excellent. This is a new sentence, and we must start with a capital letter. Many is not the appropriate word here. We change it into more. And finally, we add a full stop. Okay, Now it's your time. Go to your student's book, page 39. Exercise B. Use the ideas above to write a paragraph about the place where you live. Do the same. Think, then write. This is a sample paragraph written for you. I want you to write first, then compare your writing to this one. I'm sure your writing is going to be better than this one. But as you can see, there are blue words and red words. They tell us what? About the adjectives we use, about the linkers we use. They make our paragraph look better. Here I used peaceful, however, exciting, as connector, wonderful, this is an adjective. Also, this is a connector. Yes, also we have, in addition, when we want to add more ideas, to add more things, to say more things, so we can use in addition. Again, we use an adjective like good, good schools. Again, what's more, to make an addition, to add some more thing. There are modern, again, adjective, clever adjective. You can easily, this is an adverb. And we have this phrase. On the other hand, when you want to give a contradicting idea, we have too, again, too much, and finally we use anyway to add more taste to our paragraph. Read carefully and thank you so much for being with us.